Sandboxes often fail when buyers don't know where to start or they're left alone too early. Imagine being dropped into a complex platform or a tool with no context, no guidance, or no clear goal. That's overwhelming and not impressive. The fix? Don't start with a link. Start with direction, especially live. One of the most effective ways to use sandboxes is live on a sales call. Here's the flow. First, the rep pulls up a sandbox internally on Supademo. 2, they duplicate it in seconds. And 3, they personalize the data for that specific prospect by entering in their name or their data or their industry. And 4, they screen share the sandbox live. The buyer doesn't need a URL, they don't need access, they don't need to figure it out. Instead, the rep navigates high-level flows in real time, skips irrelevant sections, and focuses only on what matters for that account, all with personalized data specific for that person. This is perfect for qualification demos, high-level walkthroughs, or giving buyers a visual representation of what the platform would look like with their data or content, all without time spent on setup or provisioning. This ensures buyers don't feel like they're exploring a demo. They feel like they're seeing their future environment. There are also times where it can be appropriate to share the link to a sandbox. Share a sandbox link when the buyer wants to explore on their own, or champions want to click around to get familiar with pages at their own pace. Don't share the link when the prospect is too early stage, or if you're worried the information will overwhelm the viewer. Alternatively, the strongest outcomes often come from combining multiple demo types. First, a live sandbox walkthrough on a call, and 2, a short guided interactive demo after a demo that summarizes key points, and 3, an optional sandbox that is linked at the end of the guided demo for deeper exploration. This way, everyone gets context first, no one is dropped into a blank slate, and engagement signals are clear. Ultimately, sandboxes can be used in a variety of ways. You can duplicate them and personalize the data for each prospect, and you can use them as a screen share for high-level flows with confidence before handing over access. We hope this helps.